This is recorded outside my balcony window. The last recording I showed people digging ice out of the grooves for the electric tram. There's the electric wires overhead and the rails there. But that actually didn't work. They shut down the whole country on Monday and declared it a national emergency. And what's of interest now is these gentlemen on this roof. You can see these guys up here, and you can also see the ice sickles hanging down and the passers-by, which there are many. Most people travel on foot in this city. Decorative graffiti. So you can see people walking pretty much everywhere. Most people do not own vehicles. Here comes one. There's even people in it. Do depot. That one's going to the depot. And you can see the section of the sidewalk got cleaned, but there's these posts that have this caution tape, and sometimes the end of the caution tape is simply stuck in the snow, and it warns people that this falling ice and the snow can really do some damage to a person. You can see they are tethered off by ropes around their waist, which I don't know where the ropes go. It doesn't go up to the ridge. And this is some Ukrainian official building, or I gather because of the signs on either side of the door.